If you just signed up for Sellvia and you're thinking, okay, but what do I sell? This video is for you. There are over 37,000 digital products in the Sellvia catalog. That's overwhelming. So today I'm showing you the specific categories and products that are genuinely easy to sell because people search for them every single day, all year round. Quick context. Digital products, ebooks, guides, checklists, are delivered the second someone buys. No warehouse, no shipping, no returns. That's why they're perfect for a beginner store. And I'm focusing specifically on Evergreen products. Type any topic into Google Trends and set the range to 5 years. If the line is high and flat, that's Evergreen. Weight loss, sleep, budgeting, these have been searched every single month for years. That's what you want to sell. First category, wellness. Let's start with sleep. Type how to sleep better into Google Trends. Flat line, consistently high for 5 straight years. Millions of people search this every month. This is textbook Evergreen. In the Sellvia catalog, there's a whole sleep improvement section. This one, a practical guide to managing insomnia naturally, retails at $24.99. Your profit on every sale? $11.50. The buyer pays, the guide downloads instantly, you get paid. Nothing to ship, nothing to pack. You'll find it in your dashboard under Products, Digital Products, Wellness, Sleep Improvement. Click Add to Store and it's live in seconds. Same thing with stress. Search stress relief. Never drops. The catalog has a full stress management section, meditation guides, relaxation ebooks, breathing checklists. All instant download, all evergreen. Second category, personal finance. Budgeting, debt, investing. Strong right now because of the economy, but look, this isn't new. Consistent for years. People always need help with money. From the catalog, paying off credit card debt, your ultimate guide to financial freedom. Retail $24.99, your profit $11.50. Think about who buys this. Millions of Americans carrying card debt, searching Google for a way out tonight. The pain is real and urgent. This is exactly what sells. In the dashboard, it sits under Wealth. You'll see budgeting and saving, financial independence, stock market investing, real estate for beginners. Hundreds of products. All instant delivery, all digital. Third category, productivity and mindset. This overlaps with everyone. Students, remote workers, parents, people switching careers. The search volume never drops. Here's one from the catalog. How to release perfectionism and thrive. Retail $21.99, your profit $10.19. This sells because almost everyone relates to it. It's not niche, it's universal. That's the sweet spot. In the dashboard, mindset. Subcategories: productivity, self-confidence, goal setting, positive thinking. Pick one that resonates with you, add it to your store, and your store is already selling something people search for every day. One more thing, and most beginners miss this. In your dashboard, there's a section called Insights. Click Bestsellers Insights. This shows you the actual top-selling products across all Sellvia stores, updated every week. You don't need to guess what works. The platform tells you. See something that fits one of the 3 niches we talked about? Click Add to Store. Done. It's live in your shop immediately. So if you're just starting, here's the short version. 3 evergreen categories: wellness, sleep, stress, weight loss. Personal finance, budgeting, debt, investing. Mindset and productivity. Consistent search demand, proven topics, real products already in your catalog. Check bestsellers in your Insights tab every week. That's your shortcut to knowing what's converting right now. Add products from these niches, turn on the built-in ads, and let the data tell you what your audience responds to. Free trial link is in the description.